Hey sisters and brothers, let's get into the product ClickBank Income Automator. So this is a sales page of the product and I am in the sales page now, and this is that page from where you can get the product and also my bonuses. Okay, so in this video I will show you this product from inside. This is the members area. I am in members area now also, so I will show you the product inside and I will give you a detailed review of this product, and also I will show you my bonuses which will be given to you from my side totally free once you have brought the product from my side. Okay, so the bonus value is, I have mentioned on the title that it owed like $6,397 custom bonuses, but this is an approximate value. My bonuses is more than that, and I will show you my bonuses and I'll clear you that why I am telling that this is more than that. Okay, so I will show you the bonuses and I will give you the upsells and the cost and the review ratings, everything in this video about related to ClickBank Income Automator. Okay, so before getting into the review, showing you the product, let me give you a brief detail about this product. So this product is all about making you affiliate websites based on ClickBank, Warrior Plus and JVZoo. Okay, so what you can do easily that using this tool you can easily make any affiliate website, okay, like review website, and you can earn money and you can earn profit easily with this website, with this tool. Okay, so let me show you the product from inside now. So this is the dashboard, as you can see, and there are some statistics, kind of numeric statistics, and also kind of graph statistics also. So when you start using it, after starting using it, these statistics will be more and more, and it will show you your progress. So let me start with the settings. Inside settings you have to, in general section, okay, so it is telling me to log in. Let me log in, then tell you the product. Okay, so I have logged in, and inside the settings, the general section is kind of like this. You can put your site title, and you can put everything like tagline, your email address, your logo, all of this is like kind of general settings of any of your website, of any website and any affiliate website. Okay, now the next option is put your bio, and in your bio section you can put your contact me info and kind of your first name, last name, and your websites, what is the purpose of your website, kind of that kind of thing. And inside this affiliate ID section, you can see this is there are three main popular one of the main popular, like JVZoo is one of the main popular affiliate platform, and Warrior Plus also one of the main, and also ClickBank. So the topmost three main popular platforms of affiliate platforms are integrated inside this previously, and you can put your JVZoo affiliate ID, you can put your ClickBank affiliate ID, and you can put your Warrior Plus affiliate ID. Okay, so this tool is accessible. This tool works with any of three of them. Okay, so you can put your social links here, social media handles, all of the links you can put here, and you can save them easily. And the next option is custom script, and this is MailChimp. This is kind of auto responding integration. Okay, you can put your API key by copying them. Okay, so this is a custom script. I don't know what is this exactly, but oh, this is header script and body script, footer script. Okay, so this is kind of decorating your homepage, your website's homepage. Okay, and this is the footer section. Okay, so let me show you the footer section also. You can put your copyright, kind of, you can put your year, you can put the year, and you can put the website domain. Okay, so that kind of thing you can do here. This is the lead section, and inside lead you can export the leads, and you can export the file in CSV when you start using this. Okay, maybe people subscribe your website, maybe people get the products from your site, then you can get the leads, you can get their email IDs. Okay, so that kind of thing, so this is the offer section, and inside offers, this tool is pretty much awesome because they are giving all of the all of the done for you offers. Okay, all of the top offers are given inside it, and you can easily activate them, and you can easily get the review. You can check out the top product easily and activate and get the link easily. Okay, you can, by clicking get link, you can request the vendor and you can get their link instantly. Okay, not instantly, kind of, you can get it so much easily and so much organizedly. Okay, so this is the tool, and let me now show you the custom offer. Inside custom offer, I don't know what is this. So next let me show you the pages. So these are the main pages, these 4 pages, kind of about page, contact page, disclaimer, and resource pages. Okay, so these pages are the most common pages for any website, so you can decorate them easily by writing them what you want to write. You can write here for your website pages, and they are giving also syndication option, and also they are giving you the landing form option, which is kind of named as opt-in form. You can use the opt-in form option to build any kind of landing page. So what you are getting, that you are getting website also, and you are getting also landing pages. Okay, it is loading. I don't know why it is taking so much time. It should not take that much time. Okay, so it has come now. So this is the landing page option. You can click new opt-in form, and you can put the name of the product. You can put the sidebar option or before review. Okay, you can put the landing form on your website easily, like pop-up, like I will show you the like advertisement. Okay, so sidebar advertisement, or also before the review, after review. Okay, you can put it like an ad. Okay, advertisement. So you can put the headline, sub-headline, buttons, and spam option, redirect URL. So now let me show you so these are you can put the bonus also, you can put your bonus page. Okay, you can upload the banners also, and you can use 4 kind of widgets, featured image, we say featured offer widgets, and contact, disclaimer, about 4 kind of widgets you can use here using this tool. And they are giving you also the training also. So what you can do, that after purchasing the product, you should go through this kind of training. They are really valuable training. There are so many trainings are given, and you can go through them easily, and you will be taught that you will learn about the product. And I think after going through the product, you should not stuck at any instant or with this product. Okay, so now let me clear you one of the main thing, that at any instant you are working in this tool, you can easily click this preview button, and it will show you the website, your website, your made website. So this is the landing form, or this is the bonus. Okay, you can make this kind of bonus inside sidebar, and you can get this kind of website. And this tool is really very cheap. I will show you the cost also shortly. Okay, so these kind of websites are really cool, and also premiumly done, like looks like premiumly done, and it is good, and you can earn easily. You can save your time, you can earn a good profit via this website, this kind of affiliate websites. Okay, so now let me show you the cost, the everything about this kind of sales funnel, the cost, the ratings, and also my bonuses. Okay, so this is a meme. I always create meme because I really want to people laugh. Okay, so these are the cover page, cover image of this product, and this is the in feature and facilities. It has got 98%, and it performance it has got 98% also. In ease of use it has got 95%, and value for money it has got 97, which is brilliant. And in market hits it has got 92%. I never consider market hit inside this overall section, so overall it has got 9.7, which is excellent performance. So what is the main thing is this value for money is really very cheap, and they are also giving you a good website. You can save up your time very much with this website and also earn massive. So this is the cost of this product, and you can see this is only $17, kind of a large pizza's price. Okay, so they are also offering you down sale price, which costs like $13, and this is the launch period. So once launch is done, the price will be on time sale and it will start rising. Okay, so you can afford this tool within this launch period. Okay, so via clicking this button you will be redirected to the software and also my bonuses. I will show you my bonuses also. So these are the descriptions and you can go through them before getting the tool if you want to. So they are the product owners, and in my word I highly recommend, because this tool is really good. And as you can see, they are giving you this kind of website, and this within this box there will be your product images. You have to upload it, but I have not uploaded. So this website is looking like an ordinary website, but once I put the images, okay, so it will be like so much professional website. Okay, so they are giving you this kind of website within this price. This is insane, and you can easily you can easily save up your so many time and you can earn massive profit. But what you have to do that with this kind of tool, you have to keep patience. Maybe you start earning from the instant day, or maybe you start earning within a month or 2 months, but you have to keep patience sometime. Okay, with this kind of tool. Okay, and they are focusing a good platform the good platforms Warrior Plus and also JVZoo and ClickBank. So you should nothing to have so much worry. Okay, so these are the sales funnel, and I have already talked about the front-end product. So the next is unlimited. Upsell one is unlimited version, which costs only $27, and downsell costs only $17. This is a pretty much good thing that they have. For every upsells they are also giving a downsell option. So this is the autopilot, and this is upsell 2, and this cost is $37 and $27. And also in upsells 3 they are giving you this is a kind of high ticket product, and this costs $197 and downsell $97, and 1K per day training. This is $37 and also $27. Done for you $197.97, reseller $97.67. So now let me talk about the bonuses, and I am very much eager to talk about the bonuses, and one of the main purposes to make this video to show you the bonuses. So these are the bonuses, and for some of the bonuses I have put here the images only, and for some of them I have put here the images and also some description, cause same thing is boring. That's why I have done this. And let me show you the surprising thing and shocking thing, that after 50 bonuses I have put here 300 plus bonuses as mega bonuses. Okay, so I have put here 50 bonuses for just an example, and these 300 plus bonuses are also same software, PDF, SEO tool, images, and also plugins, case studies, video case studies, images and musics. I recently introduced them, and you will get around 10,000 plus images, and also musics, 25 plus musics, free music and loop music. Okay, so this was the bonuses overview. And what you have to do that after purchasing ClickBank Income Automator, you have to go through your purchase history option, and inside that option you will get this blue button, access affiliate bonus. You have to click on this to get these bonuses, my bonuses. Okay, so I have given the product overview and also the bonuses overview. So I think my work is done for this video, so I am signing out for the day. So I am wrapping up. So bye bye.